go.
Wait. Here's to me, here's to you, here's to all the things in the house
this
you do.
freaking cabinet probably came pre-made somewhere.
Here's to me, here's to you, here's to me, here's to mouse.
No, here's to me, here's to you, here's to cheese.
Oh, here's
How did it go again?
here's to me, here's to you, here's to Chuck and the cheese.
No.
Was it? Oh, I'm
Here's
sorry.
to me, here's to you, here's to Chucky, and to cheese. No.
Brian.
Redid the cabinet.
Here's to me, here's to you, here's to Chuck and the cheese.
Maybe put the doorknobs on for Ed.
With the cheese?
I can't put the doorknobs
Here's to
on.
you, here's to me,
Okay,
here's
I'll
to
come over
Chucky and the
put
cheese.
doorknobs
New lamb on top. So here it is.
Okay. Oh, here's to the side, here's to the house, here's to the king in the house.
It came off.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa,
Here's to Red, here's to Cole.
whoa. What was that? Here's our backyard. Cool. Cool, cool. Here's our garage. What was that? Oh. Our new garage. Gonna have to be fixing it. And the nail flying. There's Josh. And him brooming. Brooming.
Rooming?
Because I obviously don't do that very much.
Rooming.
He's. I said Josh is brooming. Go, Josh.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh yeah, it's fun. This is before.
Picking up all the nails.
Before.
You should have taken a picture like really before.
I know. It's not a picture.
Still pretty bad though.
This is the garage.
Move away.
Garage. Front. Bikes. Truck.